Can you get into a house for free?
Yes, you can, Mary.
What? Mic drop. Make sure you tune in to this episode of Really Mary to figure out how the heck to do that. Until next time. Welcome back to Really Mary. My guest today is Randy Williams from TBF Mortgage, and we are excited to hear about other financial mortgage products. Is that what I want to call it?
We could start there. No, I think one of the things that is sort of an offshoot of a market where interest rates have raised for the past 2 years is a lot of that home buying market was sort of pushed out for a minute. But the banks still want that business, and they have come back with a slew of products to help people that were sort of pushed out of the market by the higher rates to get into the market again.
So what does that mean? Like, what kind of products are these?
So there's a lot of people out there that have a decent credit score, that have a job, but maybe are paying a higher rent than they could pay as a mortgage, and they just don't have that savings, right? So we have a 1% conventional loan that doesn't have mortgage insurance. Holy cow, right? We also have FHA loans now that
wait. Mic drop. 1% mortgage.
1% down.
1% down.
2% is gifted to you by the lender, and there's no mortgage insurance. That's a pretty cool loan.
Yeah.
Right.
Because it's normally 20%.
Or at the very minimum 5 for sure. Yeah.
To not get
mortgage insurance.
Mortgage insurance?
100% right.
I mean, that can be kind of a lot of money.
It's also wasted money, right?
Yeah.
Like, is that going towards your principal or your interest? No.
Right. It's totally wasted. So 1% down.
Right.
No mortgage insurance.
Right.
And what's this other little catch you said? How much?
The bank's going to give you 2% of equity already. They're going to gift you 2%. So it's actually a 3% mortgage that you only have to come to the table with 1.
All right. So let's do some simple math. Okay. So say a house is $500,000. 1% down is $50,000. It's a lot of money.
It's 5,000.
Right? Oh, 5,000. Clearly can't do math today. 5,000. And the bank is going to give me $10,000?
That's correct.
Nice.
Sitting on $10,000 or $15,000 equity right off the bat.
All right. What else you got?
Cool. For the people that need a little more leeway with credit scores, and they use that FHA product, which is a beautiful first-time homebuyer product. Okay. It's typically 3.5% down.
Okay.
Right now, we have some great products that are coming back into play that will give you down payment assistance, right? You will get that 3.5% as a second. Guess what? If you actually stay in that house for a little while, 10 years, that's actually forgivable and you don't have to pay it back.
Okay, so this is too much math for me today. So 3.5%. So let's do the whole 500,000 again.
Okay.
Because let's face it, in our market, you could maybe get a $300,000 condo, but hard to get. $400,000 house is hard to get. Okay. So let's say 500,000. 3.5% down. So since I can't do the math, is that
17.5?
17.5. He's got the math down.
Done a few of them.
17.5.
Correct.
And then what happens?
So that would actually be a second. The bank would actually pay that down payment for you. Okay.
So I come with 0?
You come with closing costs, but get what percentage of seller help can you get on an FHA loan, Mary?
I think 6%.
You got that right. You've been doing this a little while.
I think so.
Yeah. So here's that thing. Yeah. If you have a really good agent, like right now is the time, more important than ever to have a good agent. You could literally get into an FHA loan where the seller paid your closing cost, the bank paid your down payment, and you just slid into that home.
And what kind of credit score do I have to have?
620.
And is it for first time or?
No, it's not. That loan has nothing to do with first time home buyers.
It's anybody.
It is. It's an FHA product right now. Again, it's to offset rising interest rates. Okay, for that home buyer that does save, that does pay their bills, that does have a good job, but maybe doesn't have the savings. Right? Still able to get you into a home.
You got anything else?
All kinds of.
Okay. Well, but I'm afraid that if we go on and on, that you'll be tuning out of this, because what you really need to do is you need to call Randy for this kind of information for you specifically, because at the end of the day, he's got lots of tricks and things up his sleeve and products, which sounds way better than tricks and things up his sleeve, but he's got products for you for the mortgage. So if you're interested in buying right now and need some of these other products, give him a call. Until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus.
Randy Williams, TBF Mortgage.
Can't wait to see you on the next episode.